welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a video, as you can tell by the title. We are going to be doing a luxury unboxing. I have been waiting to unbox this stuff with you guys on camera. It's been sitting in the corner of my room because I wanted to make sure that I opened all of this stuff up with you guys. But I'm so excited because today's video is in partnership with Moda Operandi. I am thrilled to share Moda Operandi. I absolutely love this retail site. If you are somebody who loves designer pieces, loves designer brands, Moda Operandi has some of the top designers as well as up-and-coming designers that they have listed on their website, and I absolutely love that you can basically shop all these brands in one place. They also carry home apparel, shoes, bags, jewelry, you name it. The one thing that does stand out to me is that you can actually order and pick up some of the pre-order stuff. So anything that's from like the trunk shows, they get about 6 months in advance at Moda. So you guys can actually shop some pre-order stuff, which you usually don't get to do with designers. You usually have to go to the brand specifically in order to, you know, pre-order something. I do have a discount code, so you guys can use the code NEWTOMODA for 15% off your first order. And if you are keen to try out some of the trunk show pieces, you guys can use the code TRY15 for 15% off your trunk show pieces. So definitely utilize the codes because it's not often that you get a nice little code for designer stuff. So definitely take advantage of it, and let's jump right into what I picked up. Okay, so let's start. The first thing I did pick up is in this pouch. I know I picked out a pouch. No, I'm just kidding. This is actually, I picked up jewelry. I've never tried Jennifer Fisher before, but I have been wanting to try her stuff because I just see tons of celebrities like rocking her like jewelry, and you guys know like I love hoop earrings. I actually ended up picking this like mid-size hoop. I just love how like round, and they're not like too chunky, they're not too thin, they're just like a perfect size, and I just absolutely love them. They are a statement while being like a little simple. You can feel like how great they are. They're not too heavy where they like pull on your earlobes, which is really great, but they aren't like light where they feel like super cheap. So far, I absolutely love these. I'm so excited to rock them. I honestly wish I could wear them right now. Maybe I should. Oh my gosh, do we love? Can you see them? Do you see how like the width of the actual hoop is like a perfect size? I just absolutely love them. They're so cute. By the way, yes, I did do faux freckles. Okay, so the next thing I did get, stop it, Sophie. She's trying to get my package. Okay, so another brand that I have been eyeing for a while is the, I can't really say this very well, how do you say this? I need to ask Siri. We're gonna find out how to say this brand because I don't want to say it and mess it up.
Jacomos.
Jacomos.
Of course, in French, the sound of the letter U is not U.
Say it one more time.
Jacomos. Jacomos.
You heard it for yourself, ladies. Jacomos. I picked up some pieces from Jacomos. This brand is all over the place, and I have been eyeing their stuff, but as you know, like their stuff is expensive, but it was my time to shine. So I picked this up. You guys would have seen it. I have no idea if this is gonna fit me. So I picked up this little bralette, which you guys have probably seen everywhere. Literally, this looks like it's gonna fit Alaya. But this is the Le Bandeau Van Le Sol, aka, it says here, jersey bra top. Okay. And this one is in the size small, and it is also in the size in the color beige. I really just wanted to try out this brand for myself, and I really hope to God this fits me because, I mean, but this is tiny. Like, this is tiny. I've just been seeing this everywhere. I've been wanting to wear something like this with like some trousers and a blazer. Even though it looks tiny, it like stretches really far. So I'm hoping, let's see. Jacomos. Another thing that I picked up from Jacomos, learn something new every day, ladies, here on Nicole Elise's channel. dun 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 dun, a Jacomos little mini bag. I know, I was like torn. I think it's gonna be really cute as like an accessory. This piece is basically jewelry, so it doesn't really necessarily have a functional purpose, but it's cute and pretty and it makes the outfit and you just like stand out. So I picked up this guy. You guys would have seen it everywhere. I'm so excited to open it. I don't know which one I got. This one is the Le Chiquito? Chiquito? There's some French. It's so cute! This is the little cute, tiny little wee bag. I do love that you can just like wear it. It's a bracelet. It's a bracelet. It's not like an actual purse. It's a bracelet. It's walking art. The size of the purse, I honestly don't know what I own that's actually in my purse that'll fit in here. Oh, AirPods would fit, maybe a credit card, and a car key. I mean, it's really tight in here. So it comes with a strap as well in the dust bag. Okay, look how cute this is, all right? So do we see this bag? We see it, right? I'm just gonna do a little close up for you guys. So this is the bag. And I just think like having it hanging like this is just so cute. Or we do like the crossbody thing, which I usually don't love a crossbody. I'll just do like a bum bag instead, but she's cute. Like she is a vibe. With this all black outfit, this dress. Am I right? How cute! Oh my god, you guys, I'm like actually in love with it. I know it's one of those things. If I show this to my boyfriend or my father or my brother, just like the men in my life, they'll probably be like, okay, and how much was that? I think she should have a name. I should start like naming my purses. Let's just have her sit right there. And then you guys can let me know in the comments below what we should name her. I'm feeling like she's kind of like Cecilia. Ooh, do we like that? Okay, anyway, the next thing I picked up was a Saint Laurent. I picked up some shoes. I mean, you guys don't need to see the whole shebang. Extra laces. I got some sneakers because I realized that I have one pair of sneakers I wear all the time, but I've worn them to death. Like they're so comfortable. They feel like I'm putting my foot in a sleeping bag. But I really wanted to pick up some nice like designer leather sneakers, so whenever I'm wearing something that's rather casual, you know, I can wear these sneakers and it kind of dresses it up, you know what I mean? But you know, like that vibe where it's like you wear just something really plain and basic and then you throw on like a designer bag or designer shoes and it just kind of like levels you up, you know? There are these shoes, they are leather. I love that they are this like tri-tone color. I really like the like rubber part right here that's a little off-white, and then the white sneaker, and then, you know, the black heel. They just are a nice dressy sneaker. A lot of the shoes and the sneakers they make, they have them in the men's version as well. So I actually saw these and I thought to myself, my boyfriend would absolutely love these and rock these so well, so we might be matching pretty soon. The other thing with these is the sizing. So in Italian shoes, I'm usually a 40, a European 40, but with these I went down a size, so I got a 39. They do come in half sizes as well, but I did get mine in a 39. Alrighty, so that is it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed my luxury unboxing haul, I guess you can say. Definitely don't forget to check out Moda Operandi. I will leave everything down below for you guys, along with the codes I mentioned as well. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!